So I decided to make this video of my Samsung RS263 TDRS. I've opened this bad guy, the refrigerator, quite a few times to fix it. It's now all messed up. Was about to throw it away. I gave it one last chance. And this is the freezer part, the part that was not cooling. This is how it looks when I remove all the cover. You have to remove it completely. FYI, it's better to pull from top to bottom to get the freaking part out. And this is the fan. It's frozen. I've seen a little video for the refrigerator. That was my main problem, but the latest problem is also the freezer. So now you know, guys. 6 screws to remove I believe, or 5 to remove the part, plus the ice maker screws, which is pretty easy to get out. So now to defrost this and see how long it lasts.